everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have the very special pleasure of showing you the new Cricut Venture. Unfortunately, I've had some health issues, some surgery on my back, so I wasn't able to attend the amazing open house that Cricut held to release this, but they did send me one to go ahead and share with you. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to show you the unboxing as best as I can, and then in future videos we will absolutely play with it. I am so excited to make some gigantic items to put on people's cars, put on my house, giant flowers, everything. So I'm so excited for this product. It's the biggest, fastest, and most durable Cricut that they have out there. It is called the Cricut Venture. A lot of people don't like this, but the price is a little steep. And the reason is this is not for the beginners. This is the machine that is built for people that want to level up. And just want to level up their craft game, or they want to sell a bunch of things, things like that. The machine and the stand are sold separately, with the machine being $9.99 and the stand being $3.49. You do not have to have both. The machine is perfectly fine on any table, but you do want to put it on the edge of the table. And you'll see why as we go through here. Cricut, when available, will also have a bundle of the stand and the machine together for $1,249. So let's take a look at the stand first. So here's the side of the box, the docking stand for the Cricut Venture. It securely locks the machine in place. It has an anti-static catch basket, a built-in roll holder, which I absolutely love. There's also storage hooks for the mat on the bottom. These are life changers for me. They are amazing. Here's a quick look at the box, the beautiful box. And as you open it, it is pretty easy to understand how to put together. It's even got the envelope that says how to get started. So it's very self-explanatory. They make putting this item together super easy. The legs and the hooks actually just click in place right here, and then you'll turn it over, and the metal racks will require a little bit of screwing. You don't need any tools to put this together, and it goes together in no time. This is beautiful. I think they did an excellent job, and I highly suggest getting the stand if you're going to be getting the Cricut Venture. And now for the beautiful Cricut Venture machine. Here's the box. It comes with a coating, an extra box on the outside. And then once you remove it, you see the Cricut Venture here. These black handles actually do need to be removed first before you can do anything else. But they're very easy to come out. Cricut has definitely thought ahead with the packaging and all of the package materials to keep this safe during shipment. Here shows everything included, being the machine, the fine point blade, the cutoff tool, the roll supports, cleaning tools, a USB cable, a power cable, mat support extensions, and also it does include a free trial subscription to Cricut Access for new subscribers. After you take out those handles, the top just lifts right off. After you unpackage this and place it on the corner of the table or on the stand, there is some pieces that you'll want to take off. They are clearly identified. See that little trash symbol right there? Those come off fairly easy, and you can just discard them while you're placing them on the stand. The box also shows you right here to go to Cricut.com/setup. In order to set up your machine, it will walk you step by step through setting it up, as well as your first cut. So definitely check that out. We will go through that shortly. And here she is in all her beauty, set up and on her stand. The stand does have some safety features built in. The Cricut will go forward. Actually won't go forward, won't go backwards on the stand, but you can pick it straight up. Also, the catch baskets are Not sure what it's called, but they come off. They're breakaway. The catch baskets are breakaway. In case you fall on it or a little one falls on it, it breaks away so that it doesn't pull the machine down on top of anybody. Just breaks away and can get put back on very easily. Here you can see that those hooks are being used to their full potential with 3 mats on each hook. That is the max that they suggest. They're actually hidden by the baskets, so it's kind of hard to see, but they are in there and they are snug and safe. Next up, here are the mat supports up all to themselves. We will show you the mats. They have a couple buttons to push on there to get those to pop out, and then the extra mat support that you'll put on top. We will definitely show you that in the future. Here are the pieces that were in the box, including a cleaning kit. You will need a cleaning kit because every 100 hours it will prompt you and actually show you exactly how to do the cleaning. The black item is roll support for your vinyl rolls if you're not using the Cricut docking stand. There are actually 2 pieces. I just happened to drop one and didn't notice. Then you see the power cord, the 2 cords. One's a USB and one is the C. You will see your cutting blade, which you can cut. There's a groove that it fits right in and cuts. The cleaning mat, the cutting blade, and the paper support if needed. Also underneath here is some awesome sticker paper from cardstock. Some huge cardstock itself that will also fit on the mat. And then below this you will see the vinyl starting to be released are the popular colors of vinyl in 515, I believe, and 75 feet. Can you believe it? 75 feet of vinyl can be cut on this machine at one time. You can do up to a 12-inch design, but it can cut 75 feet. The previous Cricut markers will work, but they also have these awesome poster markers that they're releasing as well. Enough about showing you these. Let's actually show you the first cut and the Cricut Venture in progress. Cricut has made this so easy and so fun. All you have to do is go to cricut.com/setup. Tell it that you're doing a new setup machine and pick the Cricut Venture. It's going to walk you through step by step, not only setting up your machine, but taking out all of the packaging material, which I thought was super cool. So here you can see all of the packaging material being taken out in their little video. And then it's going to show you. Next, it's going to show you to make sure that it's at the edge of the table. That is only if you don't have the stand. And then it has the rule guards. That's also if you don't have the stand. So you see how easy those are to push. It recommends that you keep the scoring or the cutting tool, right here in this piece and plug it in. Plug it into the wall. And once you're done looking at those, just hit next. Now it's going to walk you through connecting the Venture. You can connect by USB cords. There are USB cords included, or you can go via Bluetooth, which I chose to do the Bluetooth. If it's not already set up, there is a walkthrough right here as well. So here's the walkthrough for setting it up on a PC. Or in a Windows PC, I should say. Just going to scroll through that for you. And then there is a walkthrough on setting it up on a Mac. I am actually on a Mac, so I just actually need to go to the Bluetooth settings under the Apple icon on my computer. So I go to the Apple icon and go to system settings and Bluetooth, and that will get me where I need to go. Once I go there, it lets me search. Let me get to Bluetooth real quick. Once I go there, it lets me search for new devices, and here's my new device. So click connect. Once I connect there, you'll see on the design space that it's going to update and connect to the Venture. Super easy there. You can also, like I said, work with the cords, and there are instructions with that as well. Once it's activated, I agree. And then I connect it to my account since it is my machine. It is going to do an update, a system update, and let's use the magic of YouTube to speed through that update installation. Okay, now the setup is complete. So once you hit next, it's going to walk you through your first test cut. So now the fun has begun. So it tells you raise the lever. So this is actually a smaller piece of smart vinyl, the small size. So we're going to adjust the pinch roller to number 1. And then of course open up those guards at the bottom. You'll be using the one in the middle because it's the smaller smart vinyl. And you will just load the vinyl in the back, down past the sensors, and push the lever down. Then you're going to push the load button, or sorry, also always check that your tool is there. Then you're going to push the load button. So let's go to the machine, and we just push the load button and see what happens. That was so quick. Now you use the included cutoff blade, go in the little groove at the bottom, and cut off your material, your project. Then you can raise the lever and take out any of the excess material and put it back in your stash. That's all there is to it. We just made our first Cricut Venture cut. It is a small one, but it is super cute, and there's so much you can do with this, big and small. Just to show you, there's a new section called the Meet Cricut Venture. Definitely check that out. Has a lot of inspiration in here, giant things that you can make. There will absolutely be more coming, I am sure. But here are some pre-made projects for you. I'm super excited to make some for my niece's 2nd birthday. I can't wait to have these giant decor for her party for her. Let me know what you think of the Cricut Venture. Thank you, Cricut, so much for sending this to me and trusting me to do this and to present this to all of my YouTube fans as well as my Facebook fans. If you're not part of our Facebook community already, I have listed it before, so definitely check it out and join us. So, of course, let me know what you think in the comment box below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.